Guys, these are the second generation of the Apple AirPods Pro. Now, Apple has made significant changes, and Apple has taken their time to launch a upgrade to the original AirPods Pro, which are still one of the hottest selling earphones in the market. The new AirPods also include a smaller set of earbuds. So if you do have an extra small ear, you do get extra small earbuds. And the charging cable this time around is a braided USB-C to Lightning cable. The AirPods Pro themselves look and feel like the first generation of the AirPods Pro, and they weigh in at 50 grams including the case, and each of the AirPods Pros weighs in at 5.3 grams. There's improved battery life as well, so up to 6 hours on a single charge, and then you also have 30 hours of total listening time using the case as well. The case is also slightly different. You do have a lanyard port, so you can attach a lanyard, and you do have a built-in speaker that will allow you to find your AirPods including the case if you lose them using the Find My application. Now, Apple has made significant changes on the inside, so you get an Apple H2 headphones chip and a U1 chip inside the case, and the case itself is a MagSafe charging case as well. The AirPods Pro themselves get an additional swipe up and down gesture, which is built into the stem of the AirPods Pro. This will allow you to control the volume. Apple has also added adaptive transparency mode, in which if you do have loud sounds when transparency is enabled, it'll automatically try and shut down those sounds while allowing other sounds to come through. So it'll adapt to the sounds around you. Apple has also added personalized spatial audio. Using the app on the iPhone, you can make a map of your face, and then the spatial audio will be customized to the type of ears you have and the type of fit you have with the AirPods. Now, I've used the first generation of the AirPods Pro ever since they were launched in October of 2019, and I'm looking forward to using these as my main active noise cancelling in-ear type earphones. If you guys have any particular questions or queries about the AirPods Pro second generation, do let us know and I'll try and cover everything that I can in the full review, which will be coming out in a couple of days. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. This has been Bharat. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.